Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I'm making this video because I saw something that I really want to share with you guys. So guys, I saw one program on social media on a YouTube channel. So someone was interviewing a foreign worker who had arrived from India. His face was blurred in order to protect his identity. So he clearly describes how how he and his family had paid a hefty amount to an agent back in India and how an agent secured a job offer for him based on LMIA at a gas station here in Brantford. Now, the problem happened when he arrived in Canada after securing work permit. He went to the job location, so he was told, "Sorry, there is no job. You can do cash-based job somewhere, and then we may help you later on." Something like that was it. I don't remember exactly what. Now the guy is in big trouble. Now this is one of the reasons probably that why in a report of UN, LMIA was compared to modern day slavery. So what is the solution for it? Like after seeing cases like this really rings a bell. Like I too have worked in LMIA. It used to be called LMO during those days. It was 12 years old backstory when I had come to Canada. But I had never faced such an issue. My employer was genuine. All the commitments were respected. I was provided good working environment. I was compensated well for everything, and there was no pay delay or any sort of harassment to me. Absolutely not. I had like perfect work environment. But yes, after listening to the story of him, I can definitely say that not everyone is so lucky. So, what could be the solution from the government end? So I strongly believe that although government has restricted LMIA, still there is some scope. First of all, like if you see the exceptions, certain industries are fully exempted and they have to because of the severe shortage of workers. But that is the place where some bad actors would try to uh, gain benefits from. Okay, uncanny benefits from, definitely. On the other hand, areas where unemployment rate is more than 6%, these restrictions apply. But what about the areas where the unemployment rate is less than 6%? So what I want to say that the bad actors are gonna find a way out of these restrictions too and are gonna exploit the loopholes still available. So some additional rules need to be added to LMIA so that it protects the worker too. For example, just this is just my opinion, like something that can be implemented. If like I believe like there should be a commitment, minimum commitment or I should say minimum committed uh, number of work hours to be given. Okay, to any worker that is being called from foreign country. In case not done, then there should be some sort of protection. Like we have employment insurance in Canada. Those those who get laid off or like other things without their fault, they claim it and they get some sort of protection. Similarly, a particular fee or something needs to be collected from the employer also as security money. This is just my opinion. So that maybe like 10,000 or 15,000, whatever should be collected from the employer for each worker. This is just my opinion again, I say. So that in case anything goes wrong and the worker does not get the work that was committed to him and for which a work visa was filed, that money should go to him. Again, it should be protected. It should not be misused. I totally believe. On the other hand, of course, like there could be exceptions, like if a worker wants to leave after a week working for the employer, there is nothing that can stop him, right? So those things are fine. Those exceptions can always be added, but there should be some sort of protection so that these bad actors who call foreign workers from abroad get the hefty money in exchange, and then when these workers arrive, they don't get any job. This should be stopped. This should definitely be stopped, like hefty penalties. And on the other hand, like if this kind of security deposit is not an option, then the government should let the worker know that what are his rights. The worker should be educated about the rights they have, and there should be a provision of severe penalty. Like if you hire a foreign worker and when they come to fill the place and you say, sorry, this is no longer available, then that should be like, that's huge. Like such employers should be fined and they should put under severe penalty. This is just my opinion. If that happens, definitely employers will think multiple times before committing those. I'm not saying that most of the employers do, but yeah, many do. That is why these bad actors find a way out in all the applicable processes. So this gotta be stopped and we must stop it. So let me know, guys, do you agree with my observation? Do you agree with my opinion? Anything that comes in your mind, feel absolutely free to write. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.